Well, today we're in Larnaca. We're going to visit the medieval fortress right in the centre. It's a cold day, but it's very, very bright. About 10 degrees. Nice blue skies, so it's all right. Like most things here, it is cheap to get in. €5 for the two of us. A series of tombstones from the 14th century. Right next to the castle is a mosque. You can just see the minaret there. Well, this tree is rather like a DFS sale. Everything's going cheap. There are good views across the bay. You can see all the way over to Ayia Napa and as far as Cape Greco, which we visited the other day. So there are some German cannons here from the early 20th century, presumably from World War I. So a brief stop for Turkish coffee, tea and a nice coconut lemon cake. We are now heading to the Djami Kebir Mosque, which is believed to be the first Ottoman mosque to be built in Cyprus. Next up is the Church of St. Lazarus. Well, this is our last day in Larnaca, so before we move on I'll do a quick room tour. You can see it's a two-storey building, but we are only on the ground floor. There's a carport to park your car in, which is very good. And walking down here, you can see there's plenty of facilities, cleaning facilities and everything. And some cupboards. And then going through the door, turn to the right, and we have the bathroom, the shower that is rather, and the toilet. And then in here we have a washing machine. Something that's always good when you're travelling. Now, around here we have a well-stocked kitchen with microwave, oven, hob, kettle, toaster, sink, even a dishwasher. Plenty of storage facilities. And then into here there's a glass table, which we've never used. There's a mini bar, and then you have the fridge and freezer and some storage cupboards. And then over here, it's basically where we've been chilling on a night. We have a settee, the Wi-Fi, and quite a decent sized television. And in here, the star of the show, this is a lovely room here with a table and chairs, and far more importantly, a nice hot jacuzzi. It's covered over at the moment, obviously. And then we have deck chairs and into the main bedroom, which is here. And again, another TV, plenty of space in here. All very good. One of the great things about staying where we're staying is that less than 100 yards from our room there are flamingos on the lake behind us, as you can see. As well as the flamingos, there was plenty of birding hides and birding trails in the local area, so here's a selection of the images that I took while I was there.